has pledged with the government to speed up the transition from the National Health Insurance Fund to the Social Health Insurance Fund. Now, the Secretary, Kirinyaga County Coordinating Committee, Liz Gota, said as a result, many patients are suffering greatly as health facilities quietly decline to treat them based on the NHIF. Let's get the full story. In a meeting that brought together leaders of the National Council of Churches in the country, Ncck Kirinyaga branch, the call on the central government and the county governments to treat the negotiations of ending the doctor strike as urgent went up. These leaders want the negotiations to be held as soon as possible to bring order in hospitals.
We are saddened by images of the sick remaining unattended in public health care facilities due to the ongoing doctor strike. We call upon all county governments across the country to hold meaningful dialogue with the doctors and other medics to resolve the emerging crisis due to strikes.
In addition to the disruption of medical services following the doctor strike, Ncck questions the confusion that patients have found themselves in following the transition exercise from NHIF medical insurance to SHIF.
We are concerned that the country is going through a serious health crisis. The transition from the National Health Insurance Fund to the Social Health Insurance Fund is extremely slow and not well understood. As a result, many patients are suffering greatly as health facilities quietly decline to treat them based on the NHIF.
Regarding the Ncck report, Ncck wants the citizens to be more educated about the proposals in the report, saying many citizens are still in the dark.
We are aware that the focus has now shifted to implementation through the formulation of laws and policies. There is, however, a major concern that most Kenyans are not aware of the proposals made in the Ncck report or the implications when these are implemented. We call upon the National Assembly to put in place a national-wide civic education program so that Kenyans are aware of the measures that are being implemented.
Ncck also highlights the excessive corruption in the country and the cases of drug addiction. Their call is for the government to strengthen more and find a solution to the problems affecting the country. Brian Amwai, Look Up TV.